How to check Singapore IPA application status. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can check your Singapore IPA application status, so please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. We're going into the Ministry of Manpower. The URL that you must type into your web browser is mom, like mom, .gov.sg. Okay, and this is going to redirect you into the Ministry of Manpower. Here we have a search bar and we're gonna write check work pass and application status. Okay, that's like a frequent search here. And but now through this website you're gonna be able to check your work pass. There you're gonna find like some frequently asked questions. But if you don't have any question, you can just click on check work pass and application status button. So this is gonna let you select your language. Let's continue with English. And here you are gonna be able to check your past status and salary. So by continuing, you declare to agree the terms of use, okay? So what you must do here is check your date of birth. You can just type your day, month, and year, or you just can click on this calendar and find it. Remember that you can click on the year to check the months or again in the year in order to have like a complete list of the years. So you don't have to, because there's people that begin to click into this arrow a lot of times until they get into their year. There's no need for that, okay? You just can select it from here, or like I told you, just type the numbers here. Remember, the dashes are not allowed. You just have to use spaces. So let's suppose it's day 9 space of the month 10 space of 1990, okay? And you must select one, your foreign identification number or your passport number. You must complete the bar, check the box and confirm the CAPTCHA and submit your data. And once you have done that, you're going to be able to check your Singapore IPA application status. Thanks for watching.